Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making some wings. I am doing lemon pepper and garlic parmesan. And before we get into the video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So of course we want to start off with seasoned chicken. You can season your chicken however you like. I will leave a list of seasonings down below in case you want to know what I used. And I'm going to place that chicken all over my bacon rack. And make sure they are not too close together because we want these babies to be nice and crispy. And we want to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour or so, just so the skin can get nice and crispy. So while our wings are in the oven, we are going to be making some homemade buttermilk ranch. I already have a detailed video on how to make homemade buttermilk ranch, but I will leave the video and all of the ingredients in the description box below. It's very simple to make. All you need is a half a cup of buttermilk, half a cup of mayo, half a cup of sour cream, a teaspoon or so of your onion, garlic, and cayenne pepper. I also went in with fresh dill weed and 2 teaspoons of your ranch seasoning. Also, do not forget to squeeze half of a fresh lemon in there as well. I almost forgot. So now we are going to be starting on our lemon pepper sauce and our garlic parmesan sauce. I already have a detailed video on the garlic parmesan sauce, but I will link it in the description box below. So as you can see, I'm taking 1 stick of butter and allowing that to melt. Now we're just going to take a tablespoon or so of our minced garlic and allow that to simmer with our butter. Now I'm just going in with some garlic and onion powder just to amp it up just a little bit. And I'm also going in with some parsley just for a little color. And we're going to set that aside and let it cool before we add our cheeses. So like before, we are starting off with a stick of butter and allowing that to melt. Then we're going to go in with 1 fresh lemon. And I'm also going in with a little bit of lemon zest. And me personally, I like a strong lemon pepper flavor, so I'm going in with some lemon pepper seasoning as well. And now we're just adding our sauce to our bowls. And I did add the Parmesan cheese off camera, by the way, but just allow it to cool before you add your cheese, just so your cheese won't melt. And you can just place your lids on top and give everything a good shake. And of course, I have to be extra and plate it up for you guys. And once you get everything plated up, you can dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And also hit the notification button as well. As always, I will see you in my next video.